And today,
Hello, good morning. It's going to be 4:30 a.m. on the 11th of December 2020. We are setting out on our road trip to Goa. I'll keep you posted all along the way and again when we reach Goa. So, bye for now. Hi, this is the car. So I'm going to set the mileage to 0 now so that we'll know exactly how many miles or how many kilometers to go up. And now it's quite dark, so when the sun comes up, I'll be shooting somewhere. Bye for now. So here we've stopped at Chitradurga Hotel Mysore Cafe. I don't know how it's going to be, but anyway, we are hungry, and this is seems to be a reasonably good place to have our idli coffee. So we'll stop here for a few minutes, and again we'll hit the road.
In 500 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit and stay on National Highway 48.
Yes, now we are near Hubli. As you can see, traffic is now thickened. There are lots of trucks and it's quite hot. It's midday. It's quite hot. And this road, particularly NH48, was quite bad in many stretches, especially between Chitradurga and Hubli. So, first exit, which is. So here we are at a place called Roti Gar near Dharwad, where we've just had lunch, and now we'll be proceeding to Goa through Chorla Ghat. On the way we saw a bifurcation in the road, and Panaji was 165 kilometers. But I had read somewhere on the net that that's not a good road. It goes through Ramnagar, and I was told to take only this Chorla Ghat road. Of course, in the monsoon it would have been wonderful, but right now it's quite hot and it's lunchtime, 1:30 or so. So the sun is blazing, and well, it's Ghat section, so I hope the drive is going to be good. See you soon. Ganga Ghat, and the Ghat section, the forest section has begun. There is something called Khanapur, and further down will be Belgavi, but we'll be taking a turn before Belgavi in about 5 kilometers into NH 748, and that should take us to Goa, Panaji and North Goa, where we will be staying this evening. So we just reached, it's almost 6 now, because the forest route through Chola was very, badly potholed. Maybe the rains had washed away the roads, so it must have been 100 odd kilometers, which took several hours to cross. It was a beautiful forest, no doubt, but then after crossing the forest also, it was quite a long drive to this heritage homestay where we are staying. We just about reached. I'll continue later. This is the local market in Mapusa, Goa, and it specializes in chilies. Just see the kinds of chilies. This is a pav market in Mapusa. See different kinds of bread. Many of them have fillings like donuts. They have coconut filling. This is bangle bread, and these are the regular pav for pav bhaji bread. Oh, this is butterfly bread. It's shaped like a butterfly. And this is koi. This is koi. Koi.
It's like a pocket. You can cut it in half and make a sandwich.
Yeah, yeah. One house, about 160 years old, built in typical Portuguese style. It has been painstakingly restored by its current owner. As you can see, it looks very, very atmospheric here, except that there is a bit of traffic noise because I think this must have been a village once upon a time, but over a period of time the village has grown quite big and traffic has increased as a result. It's a bit noisy, but if you shut the doors inside, doors and windows, it's quite okay. And this is the heritage house. Just want to show you this. They have a crib here. And they're full of pictures. We are driving from Goa to Dandeli. This is a village called Mollem. We are still in Goa state, and it's a beautiful road. There are meadows on both sides, some trees and hills in the background, very lush green canopy. In the rainy season, I think it must be paradise, this place. I hope I get to come during the rainy season also someday. We are in the old magazine house at Ganesh Gudi inside Dandeli forest. We reached about an hour ago. We are going for lunch. Seems to be a dense forest. I'm sure there are lots of birds here. We'll be going on a birding safari in the afternoon. I'll keep you posted on that. Right now, it's lunchtime. So hi guys, we've completed our Dandeli Goa trip. We had fantastic 3 days in Dandeli forest where we saw a variety of birds. It actually rained hornbills, hundreds of them. It was so beautiful. And then we came to Goa yesterday from Dandeli in the forenoon. Via Anmod Ghat, and then we didn't stay in Goa. Immediately we got into a car and we drove to Gokarna along the coast. It was a spectacular route with mountains and sea, and it was a beautiful drive. We reached around 6 in the evening and nicely rested. Now we are going back to Bangalore through the mountain route. We will drive along the coast up to Honavar, and from Honavar we will take the inland route through the Western Ghats, Shimoga, Sagar, Chitradurga, Bangalore. So I'll keep you posted along the way. When we get spectacular routes, I'll shoot again.